So when I have a consultation with a client and there are children involved, a lot of times or every time, the question will come up about child support. How much child support am I going to have to pay, or how much child support am I going to receive, and how is the court going to calculate that? And in the state of New Jersey, we have the child support guidelines. And the child support guidelines is a mathematical formula that we put into a computer, and it tells us how much child support should be paid from one parent to the other. It involves incomes of the parties, it involves the amount of overnight parenting time that one party has, it involves who pays for medical insurance for the children, it involves any special expenses for the children that we need to consider. So we take all of these factors into consideration, we put them into the computer, and then the computer says, this is how much one parent should pay the other parent for child support in this case. Now that child support guidelines only goes up to a certain amount of combined gross income. And once the parties make more than that child support guideline calculation can go up to, then we have to start considering other factors. A court is then required to use the child support guidelines as a base and then add more to it based upon things like the party's lifestyle, based upon the child's lifestyle. Do they go to private school? Are we living in a very luxurious county in the state of New Jersey where we're providing our children with expensive clothes and cars and things that are well beyond what we would consider in the child support guidelines? A court's then going to have to consider all of those things and supplement the child support guidelines award to say you're going to pay this child support amount under the guidelines plus this additional amount because of the way you guys live and because of how much money you earn. So it becomes a very fact-specific analysis after we get to that child support guideline when there is a significant amount of money involved. So if you have any other further questions about child support, about your guidelines amount, whether or not you go above the guidelines, or anything else regarding your divorce and child support, please contact us at Callagy Family Law. We are here to help you, and we can certainly walk you through that process.